Hey everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. I just wanted to take a few minutes today and talk about one of my very favorite recipes that I have for spaghetti squash. So before we started growing it, I had only had it maybe like once or twice in my entire life, and to be honest, I was not fond of it. So when we talked about growing it again, I was like, I don't know, we'll give it a try. So we ended up growing it and I fell in love with it. Honestly, I think it's the air fryer that we have was a life changer for making spaghetti squash. It made it so simple, so easy, and it tastes amazing. So it's really simple to make this. So all I do whenever I want to make this is I go inside, I preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes on 400, and then I take my spaghetti squash, I chop the ends of it off, and then I cut it in half and as closely to equal as you can. So once it's cut in half, then all you'll do is just scoop those seeds out of the middle of it, and then you will place both halves into the preheated tray for the air fryer, and then drizzle the top with some olive oil, and really I just put some like salt and pepper on top, and that's really all that is needed to make it taste really good. So then I just cook it for 360 for 20 minutes, not really touching and messing with it. I just turn it on, walk away, go do something else, and then I come back after 20 minutes. You pull it out, just take a fork and gently scrape just all of the spaghetti strands off of the middle. It is so good. I love it just like this, without any additional seasonings or anything else. It's just so simple, tastes amazing. I love it. Now, not to say that you can't add anything else if you wanted to try it like as a replacement pasta or something along those lines. It would be fantastic for that as well, but truly it tastes amazing just by itself too. I think everybody should at least try it once that way, just to see, and it's amazing, trust me. And this is actually something that is pretty easy to get the kids to eat just because it looks exactly like spaghetti. So, I mean, they're not concerned with how it looks because it looks very familiar to them, and they actually really enjoy it. And especially if I put like a little bit of tomato sauce or something on top of it, they love it. So it's a really good kid-friendly food as well. And luckily we have a whole bunch of our spaghetti squash stored away in our kitchen right now. So we will hopefully be eating a lot of spaghetti squash here over the winter because it stores really well. Well, that's about it. I just wanted to share this really quick and easy recipe for spaghetti squash, and hopefully you guys enjoy it as much as I do. If you have any questions at all, or if you guys want to share your favorite spaghetti squash recipe, please do. And I would love to try out a new recipe with the spaghetti squash that we have left. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.